Hello, my name is Sagar and I welcome you all to Sagar on Wheels. So we have a lot of dual sport motorcycles coming into the market. You have the KTM ADVs, the Royal Enfield Himalayans, the Triumph Scrambler, and a lot of the motorcycles are on the way. So you need a helmet that matches the character of the motorcycle, that allows you to do off-road, touring as well as city commutes. And today we have for you the Axor Xcross X1, a dual sport helmet from Axor. So I have personally used this helmet for more than 700 kilometers now, and I am very impressed with the helmet, the build quality, the features and everything. So let's talk about all. So we know a lot of dual sport helmets tend to shake a lot when you're on the high speeds or when there are crosswinds. That is because of this pointed front end and also this cap that causes the uplift. So there is a lot of wind buffeting in dual sport helmets, but I have personally tested this helmet up to 130 kmph and I found no such issue, which is a really great thing. Only on very high crosswinds it tends to shake a bit, but I think that's common with any other full face helmet as well. So this helmet comes with a nice sun visor. The overall shape and design is very aerodynamic, so you won't face any kind of wind buffeting even at high speeds. The head top cap also has sufficient grooves to channel out the air, so your helmet won't tend to lift back. Fitting intercom systems from Sena, Blue Armor or any other company is absolutely breeze on this helmet because of the way it is structured. The panel over here helps to accommodate the mounts very easily, and over here inside you get a nice groove where the mic camera kind of fits and slots in. This is the only helmet below 10,000 rupees that comes with a factory fitted Pinlock 70 visor. So this is one of the highest coverage Pinlock systems, so we call it Pinlock Max Vision. The film itself costs 1700 rupees. So how Axor has managed to get this in a helmet that costs 7400 rupees, it's absolutely a miracle, and I think that really makes it a bang for the buck. Coming to ventilation, I think the ventilation on this helmet is really good. It doesn't get hot absolutely, and when you want to make it a bit warm or you want to turn off all the vents, it also works well in that case. There are two permanently open vents on the sides of the chin that give a small wind draft over here, and which is very nice feeling. And then there is a front air vent which is absolutely functional, so you can feel some good breeze at your mouth, and it's not like some of the show vents that you have on other motorcycle helmets. The helmet comes with a double D-ring, and after you have fitted a double D-ring, there is also a magnetic lock at the end, so you don't have to find where to keep the extra loose strap, so it fits right on it. All the padding and cushioning are removable. This helmet is safety rated to ISI, DOT and ECE 22.06. So for 7400 rupees, the closest rivals this has is the LS2 MX436 and Axxis Wolf DS. And I think in case of value proposition, this helmet absolutely beats the other helmets out of the picture. So would I recommend it? Definitely. I am happily using it and I am looking forward to clock a lot of miles on this helmet. So this is available at Biker Katta in all select sizes for you. Currently we have it in the white blue graphics. Soon the black and orange, black and red, a few other combinations will be available. Also you can get them ordered from us. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next one.